These are excellent numbers. It was expected that the Q4 figure would be something in the region of 6.7 to 7%.
Are very inspiring because we were expecting this number as we anticipate that growth will be robust in the coming years also, and for the current year 8.2% is very encouraging despite so many headwinds like deepening of the geopolitical developments and global headwinds in the macroeconomic environment. India is able to grow more than 8%, rather 8.2% for the last financial year. And this is indicating the results of the effective reforms undertaken during the last many years, particularly after the coronavirus, that the economy has become more and more robust and performing well as compared with many advanced emerging and developing economies.
These are excellent numbers. It was expected that the Q4 figure would be something in the region of 6.7 to 7%. However, these numbers have come in much higher at 7.8%, and the figures for the full year are also quite impressive at 8.2%. On the basis of some kind of a preliminary analysis, we see two factors responsible for such impressive numbers. One is government spending, and the second is resilient consumer demand. Another factor which is quite welcome is that revised fiscal deficit numbers, which are estimated at 5.8%, now seem to have come in at 5.63%, which is an excellent number. So if we place these numbers in a proper perspective, we find that the Indian economy has displayed considerable robustness, resilience, and accelerated growth despite high rates for considerable period of time, Russia-Ukraine war, the problem in Iran, Iran-Israel war. Earlier we had the Israel-Hamas war, and also lingering effects of COVID-19 together with volatility in the price of oil.
लेकिन जो आज जो डाटा रिलीज़ किया वो ये बड़ा इम्प्रेसिव है कि Q4 के जीडीपी नंबर बहुत बढ़िया आए हैं, जीवी ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडिशन के भी बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर अच्छे आए हैं, और अब 8.2% 2023-24 का एज अगेंस्ट 7% इन 2023, ये अपना आप में एक बहुत बढ़िया इंडिकेटर है इंडियन इकॉनमी का। और जैसे मेरा मानना है कि इंडियन इकॉनमी मास कंजम्पशन बेस्ड इकॉनमी है, और जैसे जैसे कोविड के बाद परिस्थिति सुधरी इंडिया के अंदर, और जैसे जैसे डिमांड जनरेट होती जा रही है तो कंजम्पशन बढ़ती जा रही है, और इससे मुझे लगता है कि फ्यूचर में एम्प्लॉयमेंट के ऊपर भी काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ेगा, और एम्प्लॉयमेंट में जो आज की डेट में एक इशू आता है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ रही है, शायद वो भी कम हो जाएगी।